We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive overview of the Joymate 3-in-1 Bluetooth speaker charging stand. This device combines a phone stand, Bluetooth speaker, and power bank into one compact and versatile unit. It is designed to support a wide range of smartphones and tablets, making it a practical gift for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. The stand features a 360-degree rotatable design with adjustable angles, allowing users to find the perfect viewing position for watching videos or making hands-free calls. Its foldable and lightweight construction makes it easy to carry in a bag or backpack, ideal for enjoying music or calls on the go. One of the standout features is the built-in 3600 mAh battery, which serves as a power bank to charge phones during power outages or while away from a power source. The battery can provide up to 40 hours of playtime at 50% volume, and the remaining power is clearly indicated by an LED battery indicator. The base and panel are covered with silicone pads to prevent slipping, ensuring the phone stays securely in place during use. The Bluetooth 5.3 technology offers a strong and stable connection with a range of up to approximately 33 feet. The speaker combines stereo and subwoofer components to deliver clear, distortion-free sound that enhances music, calls, and media playback. Users have praised the sound quality as solid and clear, suitable for both casual listening and creating an atmosphere for parties or outdoor activities. Setting up the device is straightforward, with easy Bluetooth pairing and the ability to connect via the original data cable for charging. The stand's adjustable head allows precise positioning of the phone, which users appreciate for comfort and convenience during extended use. Many reviewers have noted the sturdy build and secure phone fit, which adds confidence when using the stand in various environments. In terms of performance, the device excels as a multifunctional accessory. It supports simultaneous phone charging and media playback, a feature that many users find exceptionally useful. The microphone built into the speaker stand allows for hands-free calls, with people on the other end reporting clear audio quality. The battery life is another highlight, with users confirming long-lasting charge retention and the ability to fully charge phones multiple times before needing to recharge the stand itself. Some users have mentioned that the speakerphone function on their phones was not as effective as this device, making the Joymate stand a valuable upgrade for clearer calls and better audio. The Bluetooth connection is reported to be reliable and easy to maintain, enhancing the overall user experience. The product also scores highly for customer service, with the manufacturer providing responsive support and assistance, which adds to the confidence in purchasing this item. Overall, the Joymate Phone Stand with Bluetooth speaker and charging function is a well-rounded gadget that combines convenience, functionality, and portability. It is especially suited for people who enjoy listening to music, watching videos, or making calls hands-free while keeping their devices charged and securely positioned. The adjustable angles and 360-degree rotation add versatility, while the quality sound and battery capacity make it a dependable companion for home, office, or outdoor use. If you own this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to purchase is in the description and supports our channel. This product is a strong contender for anyone looking to enhance their mobile device experience with a single, practical gadget.